Okay, so we're now in Novotel Araneta, and I'll show you what the superior room looks like. So this is our room. So I have here the room key, so to open your room here. So as you can see here is we have a cabinet that contains an ironing board, and hangers and sleepers. Okay. And then on the left side, what's this? Wala. Lang. So here is the CR. As you can see here, glass doors, and let's take a look inside. Okay, so the toilet bowl with tissue rolls, and also we have the hair dryer here, and some where you hang your clothes, and a mirror here, and a mirror. Hello. So then we have the toiletries here. So we have shampoo, conditioner, dental kit, soap, and there's tissue here, and we have the two glasses. Ano pa meron sa ilalim? Sa ilalim wala na. So we have a trash can here, and then this is the shower room. And there's a glass that you can turn down, I think. So if you want to have some privacy, you can lower down the blinds. Okay. And then here we can have where we put our things here. This one. So we have the security box and some more storage area here. So here we have the TV and the paywall with the outlet and the lamp. So we have here the windows, and there's a couch here. And we have one king size bed, the switches and the lamps and the light, aircon. Ito po pala. So we have here the small refrigerator, thermos, and some tea and coffee, and 2 mugs. And here's the room tour. Good morning! We're now on our way to the breakfast buffet here in Novotel. And we'll see what are the offerings there in the breakfast buffet. So we're now here at the breakfast buffet located at the ground floor of the hotel. And let's see what are the food choices. So, grains and nuts. Morning. Indian pickles pala to. Healthy and sustainable. Your tea here. Oh. Iced tea. Juice. Tea. We have full cream milk, yogurt, cereal. Siguro. Ba't nawala yung ano ko? Yung hulog? Yung wasabi ko? Masarap yung tosino. Masarap yung tosino. Enjoy na enjoy ka dyan pa. And that's a glimpse of the superior room here in Novotel, Manila, and a glimpse of the food choices that we will get for the breakfast buffet here in the hotel as well. And let me end this video by saying thank you for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye!